Hello guys, in this video we are going to see how we can enable online archival in Office 365. To enable the online archival, click on exchange.com, that is Exchange Admin Center. Then look for the user you want to enable the online archive. I click here. Now click on others. Now click on manage mailbox archive. You can see it is already disabled. Just turn it on and give the name online archive. Now click on save. So we have successfully enabled the online archival. To check what is the exact MRM policy we have set, so then click on compliance, security and compliance. Is compliance at microsoft.com. Just wait to open the website. So now it is open. Then first look for the data life cycle management option. So here it is. Now click on exchange legacy. You can see here default MRM policy. You can see default is 2 years. Okay, so here is the policy you mentioned. Now we can see the alternate method to enable the online archival, that is for PowerShell. You first to before doing that you have to first disable the mailbox archival. So we are disabling that. Yes, now it is disabled. Click on save. Yes. Okay, now we'll do one thing. We will open the PowerShell as a run as administrator, and we have to run one command, that is connect hyphen exchange online. Okay, now enter your username password and your admin username password. If it is already there, just click on that account and click yes. Now you have to run another command. So I have a command with me. So this enable hyphen mailbox identity, email ID and hyphen archival. Just copy this command. I have given this command in the description box. Just copy it from there and just enter your email ID and hit enter. Now you can see we have successfully enabled online archival. Now let's check whether it is enabled or not. Then again we go to that user, open that user, go to others, and now you can see it is enabled. Yes, it is enabled. Okay, so this is the way you can enable online archival by using PowerShell. If you like this video, just give a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe the channel to get a notification of the future video.